Out of 400 students in a school, 300 offer biology and 190 offer chemistry. How many students offer both subjects if only 70 students offer neither biology nor chemistry? How many offer only chemistry? Welcome to my channel. I am Instructor Allison. In this smart video tutorial, we're going to solve this problem using Venn diagram. So if you are new to this channel, consider hitting the subscribe button, like this video, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you share this video. So the solution to this problem is this. The first thing I want to do is to draw the Venn diagram. Before I draw the Venn diagram, we know how many subjects is being offered there. We have just biology and chemistry. So we just have the Venn diagram that had the intersection of biology and chemistry. Keep in mind that you are asked to find the number of students that offer both subjects if only 70 students offer neither biology or chemistry. So that's the parameter we're going to use in making our assertion. So this is a Venn diagram, and in this Venn diagram we have that P student that offers biology are about 300 offers biology, so B will be equal to 300. And then it was also said that 190 offers chemistry, so we use C to be the symbol for chemistry, which is 190 students. And then they say out of 400 students in a school, so that is the universal set, and that will be outside here. Some persons can just open here and put universal set, some could bring it any part, but I like keeping my own outside like this. It's still the same thing. All right. And again, there's a striking statement here. How many students offer if only 70 students offer neither? So these 70 students offers neither biology nor chemistry. That is to say, this has to be somewhere here because they offer neither of these subjects. Okay, so let's start the analysis. We are asked to find how many students. We don't know, so the intersection here we just use X. All right, so that we can be able to, for us to know how many students offer biology and chemistry, so we can know the student that offers, for us to know the total number of students that offers both what is that question, that offers both subjects. We need to find it, which is this X. So firstly, I have to subtract this X from this 300 and also subtract the X from this 190. So this is a necessary tools or parameter that we use in getting whatever it is we're asked to find. So the I part of this, how many students offer both subjects. For us to get this, you need to sum up all this parameter here, including this, and then equate to the universal set, which is this. So just do not want to take much time in this video by using the set notation, or what we'll call the set builder, to make some sort of interpretation. I just like going straight to the point. So we have the universal set, which is 400, to be equal to, we're going to sum up this, and then we have 300 minus X plus 190 minus X plus this 70. Someone want to ask, what about this? We've already used them to make analysis. Make analysis here, so we don't need them anymore. So let's add up these parameters we have here. Here we're having 300. We have the like terms of it to be 190, and we have also 70. Keep in mind that minus X plus X, this we evaluate to give 0, so we have just minus X left in the system. So 400 will be equal to, let's sum this up, 300 plus this 190 should give 490 plus 70, that should be 560. So we don't bother the calculator, minus X. So let's subtract Let's subtract, because we're looking for x, so let's subtract 590 from both sides of the equation. So we have 400 minus 590. That will be equal to minus x. If you subtract this, you just have about minus 160. And this will be equal to minus x. Because we have negative side at both sides, we cancel out. Therefore, x equal to 160. What does that mean? It means that 160 students offers both subjects. I hope that is interesting. Please make sure you like this video right now. Like it right now, because you're going to enjoy the last part of it. And then if you've not dropped any comments, please drop comment. Let me know your thoughts. If this is interesting, let me do more video for you. Okay, the second part of this equation is that we are asked to, let's check the equation, how many, of course, students offer only chemistry. All right, so we can do that. Since we've gotten all these parameters, look at this number of students that offers chemistry, which is just 190 minus x. That's all. Yes, that's all. So we just say, for the number of students that offer chemistry, we have just 190 minus x. And what is x? X has been defined already to be 160. So we just have 190, plug in this 160 in place of x. So we'll have 160 here. So let's do the subtraction. If you remove this 60 from 90, we just have just 30. And 1 will go. So we just have this answer to be 30. All right. So it means that 30, what's that? 30 students offer only chemistry out of the 400 students in school. So this is the answer to this problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider hitting the subscribe button, like this video, drop a nice comment, and make sure you share this video to your colleague, because they need this video. They need to know sets. So this is how we use Venn diagram to analyze problem in sets. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you come back to watch my videos. See you.